Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of bread halwa. This halwa is so easy to make and requires only few ingredients. This is my Amma's recipe and she's only cooking it for our channel. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to chop 8 bread slices. You can chop it along with the corners of the bread. Chop it into small square pieces like this. The bread pieces are chopped perfectly. Next, we are going to fry these bread pieces. Heat sunflower oil in a kadai. Once oil is hot, add in the bread pieces. Fry the bread slices to golden brown color. The color of the bread halwa depends on the color of the fried bread slices. Fry the bread slices to this color without burning it. Remove the bread slices from oil once fried. You could see the fried bread slices are quite dark in color. These are the ingredients required for the halwa. Take 2 cups of milk in a big kadai. Let the milk boil nicely like this. Now add in the fried bread pieces. The bread will soften once it gets soaked in the milk. You could see the bread has absorbed all the milk and the mix is thickening. Add in 50 grams of khoya or unsweetened palkova. This is optional but it gives extra flavor to the halwa. Now add in 120 grams of sugar. Add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. 120 grams of sugar will be approximately half a cup. As I mentioned earlier, the color of the halwa depends upon the color of the fried bread slice. Mix in the halwa until all the sugar melts. In a pan, heat 50 ml of ghee. Add in 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and fry to golden brown color. Add in 1 tablespoon of raisin. Once the raisin puffs up, switch off the flame. Add in the ghee, cashew nuts and raisins into the bread halwa. Salt it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Delicious bread halwa is ready to be served now. I'm transferring this halwa into this bowl. Bread halwa is quite famous in wedding meals. Garnish it with fried cashew nuts. Do try this easy bread halwa and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more recipes like this. Look at the texture of the halwa. This is so soft and just melts in your mouth. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.